Hello everyone. Do the words which you saw in the previous slide overwhelm you? The field of computer science, it's a mystery. It's huge, it's humongous, and there are so many developments day in and day out. But this is something which is very, very important in our lives today. We cannot remain away from technology, and in order to work hands in hands with technology, build technology, we need to get introduced to the world of programming. Today, we have kids who start learning programming, who start coding at the age of 7 years, 8 years, and they do remarkably well. The field of programming is not only for those who want to take up software development as a career. That's a misconception which many people have. Actually, programming helps to build a lot many skills in an individual. It enhances our logical skills, analytical skills, and it also helps students to work on other subjects in a better and more logical way. Let's say, for example, maths. This field of computer science is lovely, it's interesting, and there are so many things which we can do with this. In our series, we are planning to introduce all of you to this wonderful world of programming. We're going to take up courses in different programming languages as well as continue with short tips and tricks which you can make use of so that you can understand some basic programming concepts in a very, very easy and simple manner. If you have any queries, you can always write in to us, connect to us, and we will definitely be very, very happy to help you. Thank you.